Yeah, what's up guys? It's Johnny. Thank you for joining me on another video. Today we got something special, guys. We're usually working on that 2002 Honda Civic Coupe or that 2005 Honda Civic Sedan back there, but today, guys, I just want to show you the new 2022 Honda Civic Sedan Sport. I just copped it. Today's October 3rd 2021. I got it October 1st 2021, 2 days ago. It's a 2022 model. We're in 2021. All right, guys, the first thing I want to show you is that you can go ahead and just unlock and then press and hold. You can roll all the windows down. What you do is press the unlock button once and then press it and hold it, and then you'll see the windows start going down like that. All right, another thing you can do is if you lock and then press and hold that button there, car turns on by itself. Remote start. All right, guys, let's check out the interior right quick. There it is. 44 miles on the dash. I drove it out the dealer with 3 miles on it. I've had it for 3 days. We got the 7-inch touchscreen display. This is the interior. Push to start. There it is. You got the controls here, volume, your menu that you can move there, half digital, half analog. The interior is pretty clean, nice and clean, more spacious than that. Obviously, that's a coupe, and way more spacious than that one as well. The 05 Civic. This is the interior of the 2022. Pretty sick. No sunroof. It's all good. It's all right. Glove box, the owner's manual, some paperwork. I like it. I've only driven it just a little bit, as you can see, 44 miles. And I don't know why on the video this is flickering, but I'm looking right at it. It doesn't flicker, you know, in person. On the video it does. This is pretty spacious here. You got this removable. You can put it either here or here for the center console. Yep. This is a 158 horsepower, 2.0 liter engine. Speaking of the engine, let's check it out. I'll pop the engine. At the same time, pop the trunk. Nice and quiet, nice and clean, brand new. 2.0 liter engine, 158 horsepower. Let's check out the wheels, stock. This is the way they came. It's got a 235 40/18. It came with the Goodyear Eagle Sport tires, 18-inch rims, stock. Again, it's the sport trim. Good size trunk. Got the other ones there. If you guys haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Check out the other videos. We're always doing things to these Civics. We're learning together. But yeah, man, just wanted to show you guys the new whip. Hopefully we don't have to do any repair videos on this car anytime soon. We shouldn't. I'm sure we won't. Anyways, man, thank you guys for watching. I just wanted to show you guys the new whip. Again, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe.